Hello friends, welcome to channel Blue Space Learning. In this video I will be showing you how to create an account in AWS. In order to create an account, go to Google search, type AWS account. This is the official website of AWS. To create a new account, you can see here complete sign up. Just click on that. If you are already exist account, you can enter your email ID, but today we are about to create a new AWS account. So create new AWS account, click on that. AWS accounts include 12 months of free tier access. So for the more details you can visit this site and you can check what are the services available for free. So to create a new account, we have to enter the email ID here and the account name here. So after provide the email ID and username, just verify the email address. Go to the email and check the verify code. You can see it's you that your email address has been successfully verified. So now you can enter the password. Click continue. To create a new account, we have to fill this form. Without fill this form, we cannot create a new account. So here we have the two options, business or personal. So I am going to select the personal. So here we have to provide the full name and the phone number and country or region, address and city and postal code. Once you provide the details, you have to agree, then you have to continue. Then here we have to provide the billing information, so you have to provide the credit or debit card number. Once you provide the card details, just verify and continue. You have to confirm the identity, so you have to select your country. So once you provide the identity and security check, you have to click send SMS. Here you have to enter the verify code which you have received in your phone. So here we have to confirm the basic support free, so be careful on that. Successfully create an account. So now we go to the AWS management console. Here we have to provide our email ID. So here we have to provide our email address. We have to enter our password. So this is the AWS console port. Here you can see all the services available. So you can click here EC2 instance. Here you can see the EC2 dashboard. That's it guys. So this is how create a new AWS account. Hope you like it, and please like and subscribe this video, and I will be see you next video. Thank you.